Hello everybody. Let's talk about the programming assignment. This one's called Color Mixer. It's going to require a good deal of either nested or compound ifs. Compound ifs would probably certainly be the best here, but I mean you could use either or. So here's how the program is going to work. The program is going to ask you to choose two colors from the list. You pick two, and it's going to output what basically the color is going to be if those colors are mixed. So we have four colors to pick from. And of course there's more colors we could choose, but I wanted to kind of lower the difficulty a bit so it's not too lengthy. So I'm only going to go with four. Now, here are the color combinations. Red and red equals red, green and green equals green, yellow and yellow equals yellow. So they're going to write in, and you could use one or two or three if you have a list like this, or they could write in the actual text. Red, green, yellow, however you want to do it. And if I choose this color and that color, it should tell you the color, the final result or the final color of those two being mixed will be red, essentially. So if I choose green and green, it will tell me that that color is green. And then we have, of course, blue and blue. Now, if we go here and we say red and green, that's going to be brown, though it can be yellow depending on how it's displayed technically, but for the sake of this program, we'll say brown. Red and yellow is orange. There we go. Red and blue is purple. Red, blue. Green, yellow, lime green. Green and blue, turquoise. Yellow and blue, make green. It goes without saying, if I pick this in the opposite order, green and red, it's still going to be brown. Yellow and red, it's going to be orange. Blue and red, it's going to be purple. So you have to account for whichever order they choose from, basically. I essentially listed it this way, but that's only one order. If I do it reverse, it's still going to come out with the same color. Blue here, blue, green, yellow, green, it's still going to be lime green. So you have to have it work for both orders. Now here's an example of what it would look like. Please choose two colors from the list. Here's the colors. And again, you can have numbers listed here if you want. I type in red and blue. It tells me the output color is purple. Another example, I choose two colors. I type in olive and red. Well, olive's not on the list. So one or more of your choices aren't on the list. It tells me that. So if I choose something that's not there, it should basically just give me that output there. If I choose something that is there, it should tell me what the actual output color is going to be. And that's essentially the program. It will require, like I said, a fair bit of nested or even compound ifs, depending on how you write it. But it's not too difficult. Once you've got one of these working, the rest are essentially the same. So if you have any questions, comments, problems, or anything like that, feel free to let me know.